Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you this. This is the Drunk Elephant trunk. It is their new holiday trunk. It's gigantic. Thank you. Firstly, this is not a sponsored video, but this product was sent to me by Drunk Elephant and just want to thank them for this. I am incredibly aware of how much this product costs. And I'm so grateful that they sent me this. Drunk Elephant have always been incredibly kind to me. So big thank you, because I truly appreciate it, I really do. So this is the trunk, and it's actually a suitcase. So unlike some of the other trunks, this one is really truly functional. You've got your carry case. Here you go. Oh, it's lovely, lovely. So there it is. And you pop it on the side, and it's got the locks here at the side, right? Now, it didn't come with a key. I'm not sure if it was meant to. And it came with the standard 000 lock. So we pop that, and then we open it up. And inside is this really large case. Well, it's actually not very large at all. It's a travel case, but it's perfect for what I would ever use it for. And inside of here, and I'm going to open this with finesse, obviously not, is all your products. So let me show you, my lovelies, what you actually get. You get the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So bright in here. That's what you get. It's a great product. You get protein, which is the polypeptide cream, which I've spoken about ad nauseum. It's a great product. So, and as you know, I use prescription strength products, so the moisturizers come in incredible handy. You get the Shaba Eye Complex Serum, which I'm going to do it from over here, which is great. I actually have used this all over my face. We get the C Firma Day Serum. We get the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. You get the iconic Marula oil, which comes in very handy with skin issues that I get with dryness. F-Balm, which is the electrolyte water full mask, which is your moisturizer or mask. Again, comes in handy. We get the incredible TLC, which is the HA and BHA complex exfoliating serum. The tinted sunscreen. We get this tiny little bottle of E-Erase, which is their micellar water. We get the makeup melting cleanser in a wee format. And we get a full version of the Apashoni retinol cream, which, as I mentioned in other videos, I use in the day. And that's what you get in this incredible package. I'm so pleased that that this was sent to me, because it's not only is it incredibly kind, but I just very touched, because these are products that I love. I can't put it back together. Go in, stupid. But just the fact that I have a suitcase that is pretty tiny and cool, I'm just so grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me know what you think. I'll leave a link in the description bar, and big thank you very much. Very much. Thank you. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.